Let's make this album together, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Hello everyone, and welcome to a new tutorial with GretaWings. And with this tutorial I want to show you how to make this crazy crochet stitch. Remember that you can find our catalog of points totally free on our website GretaWings.com. So if you are ready, let's start. I will use 2.0 millimeters hook with 1 millimeters yarn. So we will start with the slip knot and then 32 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we will continue doing chains until we are 32, or depend of your project. I'm already finished 32 chains, and now we will start in the chain number 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we will make 2 double crochet. 1 and 2. Now skip 3 points. 1, 2, 3, and in the next 1 single crochet. 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, and now 2 double crochet in the same base. 1 and 2. Skip 3 points. 1, 2, and 3, and in the next one 1 single crochet. 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3, and 2 double crochet in the same base. 1 and 2. Skip 3 points. 1, 2, and 3, and in the next one 1 single crochet, and we will continue repeating the same until the end of this round. And for the end, skip 3 points, and in the last chain 1 single crochet. On round 2 we will start with 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. Turn, and we will make 2 double crochet in the last single crochet on the previous round. Here are 2 double crochet. 1 and 2. And now 1 single crochet in the chains. Here 1 single crochet. So 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3, and 2 double crochet in the same place. 1 and 2. 1 single crochet in the next chains. 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3, and 2 double crochet. 1 and 2, and 1 single crochet in the next chains, and we will continue repeating the same until the end of this round. And we will repeat round 2 as many times as you want, depend of your project. And for the end, if you made the sample like me, you can make one chain only for secure. And this is the result. It's so beautiful. So one chain and cut the yarn, leaving only yarn for hiding. And that's it. I want to show you our catalog of real stitches. You can do it like me or let your imagination fly. Each time we will have more and more crochet stitches. So pay close attention, it's very easy and beautiful, and you can see how I do it. So I hope you like this tutorial, and if it's like that, please don't forget to give me your like and your comments. I really appreciate it, and that support this wonderful project. And if you haven't yet part of this wonderful community, I invite you to subscribe. It's totally free, and activate the bell and you receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this video to the end. Until next time, bye bye.